Hi everyone. I'm tired. Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Ooh, I look hot like this. I'm just gonna talk like this. So today just kidding, bitch. Today I wanted to do a look inspired by this shirt, Gangnam style shirt, bitch. Gingham, whatever the fuck that shit is. Mary Poppins would approve of a gingham. So I'm wearing Mary Poppins. Okay guys, so I came up with something like this, very chocolatey, very red toned on my eyes. I'm probably gonna switch up the lip because I'm not liking this dark lip. I'm not liking the dark lip at all. So that's that. And yeah, if you guys like this video, then do whatever you want. Love you. My Snapchat and Instagram is all Alaya Adeline. It'll be in the description box if you want to go check that out. But yeah, I'll touch you guys in the next video, and yeah, bye guys. Okay guys, so a lot has been going on in my life recently. I just put eye serum underneath my eyes, so that's why it's looking like I'm crying. Bitch, I want to cry right now, but my mama ain't raised no bitch. So that's all I have to say about that. Alright guys, so I definitely want to do something inspired by this top here. It's like a Burberry print, like not really though, but like Burberry bitch wear. So I definitely want to do something like very bronzy, pinky, cute. I'm just gonna get straight into it. I already did my base for my eyes and my eyebrows, and I have this unit glued down. So I definitely want to use my Holy Grail palette from Violet Boss. So I gotta get up again. 1 second. Okay, I'm back. I miss my man. He's not even a man, he's a fucking boy. But I miss him. So yeah. What's the fuck? I'm gonna take Bestie there. That's like a little cool toned light brown, and I'm gonna put that up into my upper crease area. I've been going out to the club a lot and hanging out with my sister and her friends in downtown Milwaukee. Pride Fest was this weekend, and I didn't even get to go because it was so fucking cold out. I wanted to see a drag show. I love drag queens. Not talking way too much. But what happened to me over this weekend, I literally almost died. Like, I'm not even kidding, I almost died. So here's the story. I'll tell the story. Should I tell the story? Well, bitch, you already brought it up, so tell it. I'm going. Bitch, bye. Onto a horrible car crash. And when I say horrible, I mean horrible. Like, girl, I could have almost died. Like, I could have died. If I wasn't wearing my seatbelt, I could have died. And like, I never wear my seatbelt, so I'm like so grateful I put my seatbelt on. But what happened was, I went to the club, whatever, with my sister. I got super drunk, and then I went to this food place after the club. And my ex came. I still talk to my ex, like we still talk, whatever, which is probably super unhealthy, but like, I fucking love him. Really shouldn't, because he's literally like the meanest person I've ever met. So we ate whatever, and I was drunk. So he carried me to the car. If I can insert the video of him carrying me to the car, I'll insert it because it's so cute. Even though he's a fucking asshole, I'll insert it, but so cute. But anyways, we got into the car, whatever. We started driving on the highway back to my house, and I'm taking transition there and putting it deeper into the crease. We were like arguing about something. Like, I'm pretty sure like he was asking me why I was talking to guys, and like, cause you're talking to girls, and he like tried to snatch my phone out of my hand or something, and then he spun out. We literally hit the middle of the highway, like smashed in the middle of the highway, like the median thing. And then we were spinning out on the highway. I'm like, oh my fucking God. It was like 3 a.m. on the highway. I'm literally like, I'm gonna die. Like, I'm going to die. Spinning out, it was like, it literally felt like 5 minutes we were spinning out, but it was probably like 10 seconds. We almost hit a car, We were like this close to hitting a car, which is super fucking scary. Like, the car finally stopped. I have this from the accident. How cute. I have bruises on my ass too, so I won't be hooking up with nobody anytime soon. And what else? I just have bruises like all over my body. My neck fucking hurts. Like, I could be a real big bitch and sue the fuck out of my ex, but I have too much of a heart. So I really don't know what I'm gonna do with this eye look. Like, I really don't know. Do you guys like my nails? I did them myself. How cute, right? Super cute. I think Modern Renaissance and get some red shades in here. Take a little fluffy brush. I'm wiping it on my carpet because I can. I'm gonna take red ochre. Just really mad I didn't go to go high. I meant to say, I'm so mad I didn't get to go to Pride Fest. I'm gonna deepen it up a little, and I'm gonna take Cypress Umber. It's like a black brown. I'm gonna keep that real tight in that outer, just for that extra depth and dimension. Turds, bitch, bye. Okay, I need Barack Obama right now. Ooh, deep and dark like my soul. I'm kidding, like, my soul is like so pure. Like, I'm literally the nicest person ever, and people take advantage of that. But I feel like everyone in this cruel world will just take advantage of a good person. You know what I mean? I really don't know what I want to do with the lid, but I might just keep it plain. Jane. Ew. Have I not been in frame this whole time? And I'm gonna take the red shade in here called Saffron. I'm gonna put it right here. My mom makes I need to stop being weird. I'm gonna take a little bit more of that dark shade because I feel like it got lost over here in the sauce. So Cypress Umber, get your ass over here and get the fuck in that tight little hole. Brown Cow, stunning. So we're gonna take Warm Taupe out of the ABH palette and put it on my lid. Lid, bitch, it's a lid. Guess. I'm not quite sure I like this. Continues to pack it on like my dumbass. It's cute, I'm gonna keep it. It's like grungy, I like it. Okay. Brown Cow, swimming. Okay, so I'm going to blend out a little bit. Yum yum. So we're gonna blend out the edges and put more red tones into this look. Brown Cow, stunning. I really need to stop saying that, bitch, bye. The brown shade Ode in that palette, and I'm gonna put it on the outer corner. Blend everything together. What? No, I don't like cantaloupe. Dumb bitch. Okay, I'm thinking I like that. I love it. Okay. Wait, do I love it? Sorry, bitch, I want a breath. I'm gonna just take Vermeer from this Anastasia palette. Okay. Fuck-lutely, bitch. I can't even, like, I can't. Oh my god. I'm gonna blend out these edges because, hun, getting out of hands. Kind of being splotchy on my lips, so we'll just ignore that. Dragon Lee, because I haven't done that in like, what, 8 years, and they're probably my favorite pair of lashes. So let's get these hot skittly doots on my eyes. And just flick the glue off into your room. So I'm gonna go wet my Beauty Wet blender and I'll be right back. Be right back. Okay guys, so got my lashes on. These are Dragon Leaves by, I was about to say Bella, bitch. Dragon Leaves by New Balsam. I recently picked up the Milk Makeup Blur Stick. I really didn't understand the hype about it until I tried it, bitch. This literally is the only product that's ever, literally ever blurred my pores. Like, I'm telling you, if you have huge pores, like me, try this product out. It's actually really fucking good. It's really good. Bitch got everything on her face today. Bitch, a whole what? Buffet. Okay. Like so. And what I like to do is pat it in as well. Just so I know it's going into like every disgusting part of my face. So, I don't know what foundation I'm gonna use today. Yes, I do. I'm taking Peach Perfect by Too Faced. I have like a love-hate relationship with this. I really don't know if I like it or not. I'm not gonna use this. I'm using Wet n Wild Photo Finish today. Skinnity, dinnity, winity, hinity, linity, biddity. Bitch, I am a idity. This blur stick, girl, I'm telling you, if you have not tried it, I was skeptical about trying it because I was like, nothing really works for my pores, my big ass pores, but this literally blurs my skin. Okay. And I'm liking this foundation so far. It's looking cute. Maybelline Fit Me Powder. Okay, Mary. Am I recording? Good. Okay. Ivy Winter. I think I'm good at makeup, but like, girl, you are way too hot. You gotta get with the program and cool me down. Okay, so I look like a nice bronzed all-American beauty. I want to look tan when I'm naked, just so I look nice and tan. Girl, why you look so fucking orange right now? That's a trick I like to use, is take your bronzer and your bronzer brush and bronze up your nose first and then contour. So it will come out more seamlessly, you know what I mean? Okay. I love blush. I literally love blush. My probs should bake my face. I'm going to. Really, girl? You're gonna fall on me like that? I think the fuck not. So I'm taking my Airspun. Worst packaging ever, by the way. Whatever. Absolutely. Stunning. Why do I not have plans today? Okay guys, I'm gonna finish off my lower lash line while that's baking at, what, James Charles? 350 degrees. Okay. So I'm gonna take my, no I'm not. Oops, there. Stunning. Stunning. Awesome. I don't know what highlight I want to use. I recently got the Dream Cloak. I kind of want to use Unicorn, but it's like pink. What about Wish? I feel like I want to use Wish. But I use that this weekend. What about Sunshine? I kind of want to use this one. And this is Regal. That's like the orangey one. Off that powder. I literally wish I had friends to go do things with, but I probably won't ever have friends. Cute. I think I am going to take Wish right here. What?
The food's ready.
Thank God. I'll be there in a second.
Are you taping?
I think I'm gonna do this brown lip. Let's go for it. Alright guys, so I think I'm gonna go eat my life away because I'm what? Sad and hungry. So I will talk to you guys on the next videos. I hope you guys have an amazing night. Like seriously, I hope you guys have a good night because I've been having horrible nights. So have a good night for me, I guess. So I'll talk to you guys in the next one, and yeah, bye guys. Mwah, mwah, mwah.